This is an epiphany. Honey for my drill stand, accurate, precise, solid, elegant and used. I wasn't satisfied with all those expensive drilling machines. Some were good, some were excellent, but there was this urge of the unknown, a drive to proceed. So I went to eBay Kleinanzeigen, it's like eBay, just with classifieds, and got scammed twice. I made a remote purchase of an Fein ASK636, ASKE 636, plugged it in and the capacitor exploded. Lights went off and fireworks and explosions. The seller called it full functional condition. A new capacitor and a bit more high-speed grease and it was ready to get called Honey. Super accurate B12 conus. The concentricity is better than everything I had before. 1/100th run out. This legit honey tastes yum yum. If I had a high precision chuck, theoretically this would result in very good results. It's a small drilling machine, not bigger than my hands, super powerful for its size. It feels really high quality. It's robust and potent. Nothing jiggles, nothing is flimsy. Strong and compact design. The neck of this machine is flawless, as every neck of Fein machines, but stay away from plastic, not precise. The neck of a ASKE 636 has 33 mm. To put it into a 43 mm drill stand, you need spacers, which can be bought from Fein. After I bought this, every machine before looked bad. The contricity of the GSB 19RE, for example, was like it would steer and mix the workpiece. I could not drill holes into wood with a metal drill. The material would shake heavily and get tear outs. With the ASKE 636 I can. It runs smooth. It's not trying to mix the material. It's just a true honey. I can recommend the ASKE 636. You can get it in used condition. But don't get scammed like me. If you can get scammed more than once, who wouldn't choose to get scammed, right? It's me. I bought a bigger and full functioning Fein machine, a DS648, really strong and heavy machine. A DSE 648 would be better because it has speed controls. Well, I got scammed. The consistency was dog piss. The B16 conus was damaged in a weird way. It had a bump which makes scratches on the chuck. By the way, it's made of hardened steel. My file couldn't do anything. To rescue this machine, it would be not economical. Calculated super high prices. So I can't say much about this machine. It's strong, well made and kind of heavy. Can't say how good a machine in decent condition would be. But it might be a secret honey. Till next time.